2 days past 18, he was waiting for by City's army. Green sat down in a booth and Calvin Down gave his order to a girl with a bow in her hair. He's a little shy, so she gives him a smile, and he's there. Would you mind sitting down for a while and talking to me? I'm feeling a little low. She said I'm off in an hour and I know where we can go. So they went down and they sat on the pier. Said, I bet you got a boyfriend, but I don't care. I got no one to send a letter to. Would you mind if I sent one back here to you? I cried, never gonna hold the hands of another guy too young. But him they told her, waiting for the love of a traveling soldier. Her love would never end, waiting for a soldier to come back again. Never more to be alone. When the letter says the soldier's coming home. So the letters came from an army camp in California. They're Vietnam. They told of his heart it might be love and all the things he was so scared of. His hand when it's getting kinda rough over here. I think of that day sitting down at the pier and I close my eyes and I see your pretty smile. And don't worry, but I won't be able to write for a while. I cried, never gonna hold the hands of another guy too young. But him they told her, waiting for the love of a traveling soldier. Her love would never end, waiting for a soldier to come back again. Never more to be alone. When the letter says the soldier's coming home. One Friday night at a football game, the Lord's Prayer sang and the anthem sang. A man said, folks, would you bow your heads for a list of local Vietnam dead? Crying all alone under the stands was a pickle player in a marching band, and one named Red. And nobody really cared, but a pretty little girl with a bow in her